Welcome to day one, dear sisters and brothers. Today we begin our 21-day journey of creating our own inner calm room. This room is not outside of you. This room is your safe space in your own mind and body, where you can return anytime whenever you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or lost. For the first 10 days, like I mentioned earlier in day zero, we'll focus on removing the clutter, the worries, the tensions, fears. And just like you can't decorate a room before cleaning it, your nervous system needs a clearing before it can receive peace. So today we are opening the door to your calm room for the very first time. You may feel excited, you may feel curious. Just stay in touch with your body because this can feel scary for some because all we've known in our lives is chaos. And peace can also feel overwhelming for some. So remember, this is your sacred space and begin this journey by saying, I'm safe here. So let's get on with our meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. We will do 3 belly breaths. Place your hand on your belly, where you take a deep breath, and on the in breath, your belly comes out. On the out breath, the belly goes in. We're going to do 3 belly breaths every day for the next 21 days. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Breathe in once again. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. I'll gently lead you into a meditation, and you can gently close your eyes. And now you take a deep breath through your nostrils and then breathe out through your mouth. And with every breath you take, imagine you're arriving home to yourself. Imagine now that you are standing in front of a beautiful door. This door leads to your calm room, your personal inner sanctuary. You can call it your inner temple, your inner tabernacle, your inner gurudwara, or whatever else you want to call it. You place your hand on the door handle, feel its warmth. Slowly open the door and step inside the threshold of this calm room. And as you enter, observe and notice that this room is simple, it's empty, it's quiet. There's no clutter, no chaos right now, just spaciousness. Feel the safety of these walls that are holding you. This room is here only for you. And now we will breathe light into this room. With each inhale, imagine a soft golden light entering the room through the ceiling. And with each exhale, feel that light spreading across the floor, the walls, the corners of this room. Inhale light, exhale peace. Inhale light, exhale peace. And slowly the entire room glows with calm energy. Whisper softly in your heart, this is my calm room. I am safe here. I belong here. Repeat after me. This is my calm room. I am safe here. I belong here. This is my calm room. I am safe here. I belong here. Now imagine sitting down in the middle of the room, surrounded by peace. Let your breath become slower, softer, and deeper. Stay in this space for a minute. And now gently bring your awareness back to this current reality. Wriggle your fingers, your toes, and then gently open your eyes. With this, we end day one. See you tomorrow.